Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification next to it. Don't you will never miss an upload whenever I upload, and like this video. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am back, and on the last episode I took my stato, battled my rival, and my rival took the opposite, means my the Charmander, because we chose Bulbasaur and we gave a funny name to our starter. So I am thinking, where should I go next? I should go to the northwest to our route, or we should go to our mom's house. I think we should go to our mom's house. She's asking me for resting, but yes, I need rest. So let's go to our next destination is Route 1, and then the city next to this city is Viridian City, I think. Okay, let's go. Let's see what is our first encounter. It's a Pidgey or a Rattata. It's a Rattata. I can't catch it now because I don't have Pokeballs, but I can fight it. So I will defeat this Rattata. Oh my god, that's a huge amount of damage. No, just joking. That's a decent amount of damage, not a lot. Okay. Oh no, okay. Whew, so close. I thought that it was a critical hit, and it's not. Yes, that's good. So let's talk to this guy. Hi, I work in Viridian City's Pokemart. Oh, he will give us a free portion. That is very good. I already had a portion in my bag. I had it, but I do not have it now. I didn't use it on the camp. I was bored at home after doing classes and studies, and I just played some of it and I saved it. And by mistake, I saved it again after that. So I have to reset the whole game and play to the end that I took my starter and I saved there also. Now, and on the first rival fight when I got my starter, it was a really close battle. It almost took me out. So I have to give a portion to my Bulbasaur, a funny name. Okay, now I have healed my Pokemon. So before going to the Pokemart, I should go and see the city. What's here? Town or city? Search it. It's a school. Phew. I'm trying to memorize all my studies or my notes. Okay. Be sure to read what on the blackboard carefully. What's on the list of status problem? I already knew, guys. And if you want me to read this, who don't know about the status conditions, everyone would know, but those who don't know, you can comment down below and I can show you guys what is this. Okay, so telling us something. I'm not. Oh, we need Kurt to go there, Kurt or Surf, and we don't have both. So let's go here. I know, guys, here we can found a portion. I knew. Yes, we took the portion and put it inside our backpack. I will not go to the west side now, because after giving the parcel to Professor Oak, I will go there because I have a rival fight there. Rival fight. We can fight our rival. So I will battle it afterwards. So I will not go there now, and it will be a really long episode, I think so, because I will check all the houses and play the game slowly. We are forbidden to go there, so where should we go? We should go to the Pokemon next then. Okay. Hey, you come from Pallet Town? Yes, we came from Pallet Town. You know Professor Oak, right? His order came in. Can I give it to you? Yes, came here for this only. So let's go. Guys, I want to play fast forward, but I'm showing you guys the gameplay, so I can't play fast forwardly, nor else it will be a very bad episode. So here is a Pokemon. I cannot catch it. Whoa, it's a Rattata again. I will fight it because our Bulbasaur will be level up. Okay, Doolittle. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Good, good. Okay. Oh no. Don't attack me next turn. Okay. Oh no. It's only 2 damage more than the last time. But it's quite a lot damage. Okay. Bulbasaur. What Bulbasaur? It's a funny nickname, I think. I should. Guys, our Bulbasaur learned Leech Seed. Wow. I can't pronounce it too. Leech seed or leaf seed? I don't know. Leech seed, I think. Yeah, we should go to the professor's lab. Okay. Why I am roaming around? I should go there. Okay. Oh, Ronak, how is my Pokemon, old Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing more attached to you. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. Thank you. What? You have something for me? Ronak delivered Oak's parcel. Thank you for telling me I am a good trainer. I had it on order. Kevin. Gramps. Kevin. I almost forgot. What did you call me for? Oak, right? I have a request for you too. On the decks there are my inventions, the Pokédex. Yes, yesterday only I saw Pokemon I Will Catch You. The first episode ever of Pokemon. And Professor Oak, there is I saw the Hindi version of it because the English version was available, but I saw the Hindi version. He said, here are your Pocket Tab, except Pokédex, Pocket Tab. I think the both are same, but let's concentrate on the gameplay. Oh, Ronak received the Pokédex. Ronak, put the Pokeball in the Pokédex. Okay, bag, okay. Just throw a Pokeball and you will catch it. They won't always work, however, a healthy Pokemon can escape. To make a complete guide on all Pokemons in the world, that was my dream. I am too old, I can't do this job. I wanted you to fulfill my dream. Get move, you two. This is. Oh, what did I do? It's okay. This is a great undertaking in Pokemon, Kevin. Alright, Grams, leave it all to me. Ronak, I hate to say this. My character is saying I won't be necessary. I will borrow, but I will tell her not to lend you one, Ronak. Ha ha ha. Don't underestimate me, Kevin. Yeah, I don't want to go to his house anymore, but I have to go to get the town map, nor else I can't continue the journey. I can continue. I don't know. I didn't. I always take the town map, so I don't know if I can continue my journey by not taking the town map. But let's be safe and take the town map and go to our journey. We should go to our mom's first to tell her we are going to our journey. In some games, After taking starters, we have to tell our mom that we are going. Yes, in 3DS games. Many 3DS games. Pokemon Sun. Pokemon Sun's cutscenes are too big. So let's go. I will tell you the story afterwards, and let's concentrate again and again to this game. And let's save the game here. I don't want to play again this full thing, so I will. Okay, yes. Guys, it's showing because I already have a save file of my previous game I played, and I am the champion of that region, you guys know. But I did a Bulbasaur solo run. I didn't make a video of that, but I tried to beat Pokemon Fire Red with only Bulbasaur evolution line, means Ivysaur, Venusaur, and I didn't make a video. I saw many PokeTubers to make this kind of videos, so I tried in my own only, and now I can make videos because I am ready. Now guys, here is a Rattata, and I will try to catch it if he wants to come. And guys, I will try to give every Pokemon a nickname. Yes, every Pokemon. Ronak used a Pokeball. Please come, Rattata. What? 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 I can't believe he just don't want to come, but okay. This is the last Pokemon I'm wasting on you. No, sorry guys. He's a Pokemon. Every Pokemon is good, but guys, he's already such a low HP. But I want Pokeball, and I will try to complete my Pokédex because I can't complete my Pokédex, and I have a good name for this. I will name him Ratman. A perfect name. It's not a perfect name, but good name. Ratman is a very good name in my opinion because it's a rat and I am a man. Together, Ratman. Okay, where's M? I can't play this game so slow. But guys, for you guys, anything. Ratman. Okay, let's go. I have to catch one other Pokemon, that is Pidgey. And guys, my first ever shiny was a very funny Bidoof. My first ever shiny Pokemon was a Bidoof in Pokemon Diamond. First ever walkthrough, I became a champion. Woo! Yes. I didn't keep on my team, just I caught it and put it in the box. And afterwards, I caught a higher level Bidoof and evolved it. Pidgey, guys, I want to catch this Pidgey, and I have a good name for this Pidgey. Guys, I will tell you the story behind afterwards. So let's catch it. Come on. Yes, we find, catch it. Yes, I'm very happy today. I am very happy today. No, my mistake. I forgot to nickname it, but I caught it. What I can do? So let's move, guys. You can see in my somewhere in the screen that I will keep my Pidgey in my team, but I will box Rattata, and so I will box my Rattata. And I don't want to keep a Rattata on my team, and I will use it for the HM for cut, because I have to cut trees, cut trees. So we healed our Pokemons. So let's see what I can do. So what will I do here? What should I do? I'm pretty confused. Guys, I think I should grind and come back. Guys, I'm back. My grinding is completed. And guys, see, I grinded it to only some levels. Like, see my PG, it's level 9. So, and let's show you the moveset of the PG. So, here is our PG's moveset. Where is I can't show you guys. It's always happens. Okay, it's moving. Guys can see, you can see the stats. He have keen eyes. He learned 2 attacks, sand attack and ghost. Level 4 or 5 sand attack and level 9 ghost. And okay, and our Bulbasaur. Here is a Bulbasaur. Our starter is a very good. I also level him level 9. I thought that level 10 will be good, but I have to make recording. So I just grind him to little level, and now we will go to the east or westwards to battle. Guys, here we can found 2 Pokemons. I will try them to catch offline and show you guys. But guys, from there I came here because I have to catch some Pokeballs, some potions, and some antidotes and paralysis heals. 2 of antidotes and paralysis heal. For 3 potion and 5 Pokeballs. Good. We can continue our journey now, guys. I fast forwarded because I was grinding fast forwarded, and I forgot to slow it down. So I slowed it down. Let's see, we can find the Pokemon now only. Then I can show you guys. Okay. Only one time. No, Rattata, let's move on. I don't want Rattata. Move on. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot one thing, guys. You can see I caught a PG, but I forgot to name him. But here is our PG named Pidge, like that. What is his name? I don't know. How? While grinding, I found a higher level PG that was level 5, and my old one was level 3. So I caught the level 5 one and named him Pidge. And this name came into my head because I watch many videos of MNJ TV. MNJ TV is my one of the favorite PokeTuber, and I watched its Let's Go version, means Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee, and he named his Pikachu Pidge like I named my Pidgey. So I named him. Any MNJ TV lovers who watch MNJ TV videos, please like and comment down below if you watch his videos. I love his videos. He is one of my favorite PokeTuber. So let's see. Let's defeat our rival. Okay, rival Kevin. He also have a PG. Good. He's level 9. Guys, I'm telling you, I played this game, so I knew it. I should go for the lead seed first, but it's okay. I can go this time. How can? Oh, okay. That was scary. That was really scary. Oh my God. I think Bulbasaur cannot take this. But Leaf Seed and Tackle should take out this Bulbasaur. I have faith on you. You can do this. I know you can do this. Do this. Okay, one more Tackle. It should take it out. And so let's tackle it. Oh no. No, Sand Attack is a very bad move unless you use it. You are the one to use it, it's a very bad move. And when you use it, it's a very good move. Okay. Oh no! but we took it out. Oh, sorry guys for the disturbing noise, because I only made that. That was not a noise, that was a voice. Yes. Okay. Thank God. Thank God. I should give one leaf seed to take it out. No. I don't have the chance only to make it. But PG, you can take it out. I have full faith in you. So gas time. No, I will not use sand attack. I don't want to waste. It's a good, but if we do not miss, then oh, a critical hit. Yes, he lived on a sliver of health. It can be seen also the red sign. But guys, we defeated it. Yeah. Okay, both Pokemons are very close to level 10. So one more level I will grind and they will definitely on level 10. Guys, next episode you can see them. They are on level 10. So let's go now. Yes. Okay, no Pokemons. Okay, I was just going on the grass lake and easily went out, but I just walked few steps on grass more. So go, let's see. Let's heal our Pokemon and let's show you guys. Okay, let's see what I do next, because I don't know what will I do next. I healed my Pokemons and let's see what I do next. So what will I do? Let's save the game here. If you watch this video full, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification next to it, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.